If you live in a metric country, you're going to want to go and collect your extreme minimum temperatures in degrees Celsius from your national weather database. I'm going to use Canada as an example and show you where to get that information and then how to put it into the sheet and translate it into degrees Fahrenheit. One of the reasons we use degrees Fahrenheit in our design tool is that it makes heat loss calculations and also specifying heaters, if you do end up needing a fireplace or a natural gas heater or an electric heater, in BTUs as opposed to the metric units of kilojoules. Most heating systems in North America are still specified in terms of BTUs per hour. Step number one is find the database that has the information that you're looking for. So in Canada, we're going to use weather.gc.ca. Once you get to the Environment Canada website, you're going to want to click on Past Weather. Once you get to Past Weather, you're going to want to click on Canadian Climate Normals. Click on the middle data set here. You can choose by either province or station name. I'm going to choose Calgary. Hit search, and I'm going to choose the Calgary International Airport. Once you get to the Calgary International Airport data, you're going to click on Normals Data. Scroll down until you find the extreme minimum temperature in degrees Celsius, and we're going to enter these into our design tool. I find it easiest to put both of the sheets side by side so that you can enter the data easiest. Once you're ready to enter the information, if you're doing this in metric, you're going to want to enter the metric numbers into these cells down here. Keep in mind that these are the extreme minimum temperatures and that only the lowest temperature out of this range will be used to calculate what your absolute peak heat load is going to be within your greenhouse. This does not mean that that peak heat load is going to be required all year round, only if it ever gets to this point. The reason we're looking for the lowest number is to make sure that our heater is large enough to handle an extreme cold event. Now you'll notice that as you've entered data into the range right here, that it automatically converted it into degrees Fahrenheit. You'll notice that the temperatures have been converted automatically to degrees Fahrenheit. Now you can take these temperatures, you can copy them, and you can paste these numbers into the cells above. It'll be important for future sheets that you look to see what the lowest temperature is amongst this entire range. In this situation, it's minus 49 degrees Fahrenheit. This completes entering extreme minimum temperature. In the next video, we will enter in average sun hours over the 12-month period of time. If you're looking to design your own passive solar greenhouse and want help in choosing R value for your walls, a glazing material, the amount of heat or size of heater required to heat the greenhouse, your lighting system, thermal mass calculation, as well as designing a subterranean heating and cooling system, you will find that this tool makes passive solar greenhouse design infinitely easier. These videos will show you how to use the tool, and if you're interested in purchasing the tool for your own passive solar greenhouse design, you can find information on how to purchase the tool at Small Farm Academy in the link below.